Hi everyone, my name is Victor and I'm one of the authors of Technique.com. Today we're going to continue with our course. We're going to be looking at how to install and configure Apache server in Linux. Alright, so Apache is also called Apache HTTP server and it is an open source web server. And of course, a web server is responsible for handling web requests from various computers that are hitting the web, and you also know that if there is no web server, then we don't have websites. For example, this website is hosted on a web server. All right, so we're going to look at how to configure a web server, but we're going to be configuring Apache web server in this video. All right. Yeah, before I forget, if you're writing the RHCSA 8 exam or the SUSE Linux or LFCS exam, just scroll down to the end of this website and come and click on the practice questions of the exam that you're going to be writing. I'm going to be dropping the link to this website in the description section below, sorry. And we're also going to be updating it with the LFCS and the SUSE Linux practice questions. The first step to configure Apache is to install the Apache web server, of course. So let's do that. The Apache web server is the HTTPD. That's the HTTPD daemon. All right. Oops, I mean HTTPD. Okay, so the next step is to we can just create a web file in the document root, and the document root for Apache is the var www.html. All right, that's the document root. So I can just create the file. For example, I can create the file technique. And let me just put this is a basic website. All right, let me just do this. Okay. All right, so I have this web file. The next thing I can to do is to start the web service. Now that we've started the service, let's verify this that the service is started. Oh, sorry, status. All right, so the service is running now. So the next step is to test our configuration. All right, if you wish to enable the service, you can do that by doing enable. All right. So basically, what we're just doing is to install and configure the Apache web server for a basic website. So we're not doing much here. So I can use the elinks utility to the test our configuration. All right, and you can also browse this web server from any browser. So what I'm going to do is to use elinks. It's a text-based browser. So I'm going to install elinks. This is where that is. So you don't just install elinks like that. You need to enable the code ready builder repository. So now that we have this repository enabled, let's install elinks. It is a RHEL 7 system. You don't need to um, enable the repository. Just do your install elinks. Okay, now so we have e-links installed. So let's do our test with e-links. The name of the file is technique. All right, so you can see that I can browse this. I can open this file. You can see the file here. In the advanced course of this study, we're going to look at how to properly configure Apache web server, how to harden the security behind it, and see everything we can do with Apache web server. But for this course, this is where we're going to stop. All right. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to this channel. Bye for now.